Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into two of the most talked about graphics cards in the market. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. Both cards boast impressive specifications and features, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's explore what each card has to offer and help you decide which one is right for you. Let's start with the technical specifications. The GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Ti features 16 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 128-bit memory interface, making it suitable for 1080p and 1440p gaming. In contrast, the ASUS RTX 4070 Ti comes with 16 GB of GDDR6X memory and a 256-bit memory interface, providing significantly higher memory bandwidth for enhanced performance in high-resolution gaming and ray tracing. The 4070 Ti also has more CUDA cores, which translates to better performance in demanding applications. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of each card. The GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Ti is praised for its affordability and good performance for 1080p gaming, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. However, it may struggle with high-resolution gaming at maximum settings. On the other hand, the ASUS RTX 4070 Ti is significantly more powerful, offering excellent cooling and performance at 1440p and 4K resolutions. The downside is its high price and larger size, which may not fit in all cases. Finally, let's take a look at user reviews. Many users of the GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Ti appreciate its performance relative to its price and report smooth gameplay. However, some have encountered compatibility issues. Meanwhile, users of the ASUS RTX 4070 Ti frequently highlight its excellent performance at high resolutions and its quiet operation, although some have noted that its size can be a concern for smaller PC builds. In conclusion, the choice between the GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Ti and the ASUS RTX 4070 Ti ultimately depends on your budget and performance needs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for 1080p gaming, the 4060 Ti is a solid choice. However, if you're willing to invest more for superior performance, especially in high-resolution gaming and professional tasks, the 4070 Ti is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.